Hey guys, let's see how to fix the FireStick not pairing with the remote. I have here the traditional way and I have a different way if it's not working for you, alright? So usually when you try to use your remote, you see flashing 3 times here. So LED flashes 3 times and nothing happens, right? So you have to pair the remote, and usually what you do is just press and hold here for 15 seconds, and then you're gonna see the LED flashing here pretty fast. You see that's not there yet, and then after 15 seconds or so, it starts flashing pretty fast like this, right? And then your TV should pair, but sometimes it doesn't work, okay? Even if you disconnect the TV and then try to do this over and over again, it doesn't work. I've seen a lot of people trying this method and it's not working, right? You see that you just need to wait for it to finish flashing and try see if it works with your TV. Let me just wait for a while. Remember, that's the traditional way. Perhaps it can work for you. So if it doesn't, let's just try to do the second way, right? So it stops flashing here. Then when you try to use it, you have the same issue here, it's not working. So let's do differently now. So just come here and unplug your FireStick, and then you plug it back. And now you just press and hold here and keep holding. You're gonna see the Fire TV logo, the first one. And then it starts flashing pretty fast here. I see the second one, and you're gonna see a loading message on the right side. When you see the loading message, you see that stops flashing here. That happens over and over again if you do this process. You see that's a way that you know that something is happening. It's trying to sync. But even though when you come back here and try to use it, it doesn't work. Now is the trick. What you have to do is just come here, put it close to your Fire TV and let it there for a while, okay? Let me just time this so you see how long it usually takes. So if I come here and start a timer, let's see how long it takes, right? It's gonna take a while, and then you're gonna see a message popping up here saying that the remote it's not available, but then you just get the remote and start using it, it starts working, right? So let's just wait for a while and see how long it takes. There we go. You see here about 46 seconds, right? And then you just come here, get your remote, see the message here, unable to detect your remote. But when you press here, it starts working. There we go. You see here, remote connected, and you're good to go. Now it's back working. You just need to do this trick and be patient. As I was saying here, it takes around 46 seconds, about a minute, right? And it starts working. So that's the way you can fix your Fire TV not connecting to the remote. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here. Let me know if it works for you. Subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.